You know, this baby is perfect. She eats well, she sleeps well, she hardly ever cries.
Yes, we're very lucky.
Good girl, Harriet. Now let's have a burp. What? No wind, Harriet?
What's the matter, Mum?
Harriet's not burping.
Oh, let me try.
Oh, Rosie, you don't have to thump her quite so hard.
Yeah, but she's not burping.
Give it to me, I'll do it. Come on, little chicken. Give me a big burp.
She doesn't look very comfortable, does she?
She looks fine. She probably doesn't need to burp, that's all.
Everybody needs to burp.
Yeah, Dad. We know what happens when you don't burp.
Come on, Harriet, darling.
Mum, what are you doing?
Does she look puffy to you?
I'll burp her. It's easy. Come on, Harriet.
It's no good. Look at her. She looks like a balloon.
Ralph,
Yes?
I have a package for baby Harriet. This must be her. Isn't she sweet? Looks like she's grown out of her suit, though.
No, that's not it. She's just full of air.
Oh, wind problems. Give her to me. If I can't make a burp after having 8 children, then no one can.
Yes, Madge, I said she is floating. Even the post lady with her 8 children couldn't do anything. Hey, Ralph, leave Harriet alone. Ralph! Hello, Madge. Madge, are you still there?
Where is the poor baby? Here, give it to me. Oh, you poor darling. Let Auntie Madge fix you with this soda water. It always helps me to burp.
For goodness sake, you've just filled her up with more air. Look out! Close the window!
There, that should keep you out of trouble, Harriet.
Oh, look, I'm calling the doctor.
Now watch me, Harriet.
Now, where is the young lady? Oh, dear. Well, come on, little Harriet. Take this.
For goodness sake, somebody do
Don't worry,
something.
Mum. I'll squeeze that burp out of her.
Harriet!
Oh, my rubber tire.
She's never gonna burp.